The United Democratic Party (UDP) on the 20th of January 2025 had announced its third list of candidates for the upcoming elections to the Khas Hills Autonomous District Council and the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, scheduled for the 21st of February this year. The announcement was made during a meeting held at the party's office in Bomfile Road, Shillong. The candidates include Sinchar Kupar Lingdo Thaba from Soyong constituency, who is also the sitting MLA of the constituency, Anthony Kongwang from Nongshken constituency, Lee Trevor S. Bare from Jirang, and Mewan Pasi from Nongba Mitmentru constituency. The candidates were finalized by UDP President Medba Lingdo in the presence of the working president of the party, Tito Starwell Khan, the General Secretary Jamino Mautho, MLA of Mauplang constituency Beyond Star Kurba, and other senior party leaders. Medba Lingdo informed that a total of 22 candidates will contest from KHADC and 17 from the JHADC. The fourth and final list of the candidates will be announced soon. He expressed confidence in the party's selection process, stating that the UDP has fielded the best candidates this time and is optimistic about securing a majority in both district councils, paving the way for the UDP to lead KHADC once again.
Soyong constituency, East Khasi Hills, Sinchar Kupar Roy Lingdo Thaba. Ini di MLA, but kacu kapol ke mengalau orang mana lain ke MLA ke banyak kun ya kena ke MDC, nak parti. Semua banyak tahu.
Kiri orang ba kiba mentakasi ngiladap ia kaban penmena yaki kumki ketong jongka parti UDP na kini ki South Lake constituency kata majang constituency ibali Trevor S. Bare na Soyong constituency ba Sinchar Kupar Roy Lingdo Thaba na Nongshken constituency ba Anthony Kongwang ban na po Nongba Mitmentru ma Mewan Pasi. Bentang si penskami pi kumpi official candidate jongka parti UDP kibanya konia ka election MDC na ka KHADC but JHADC ini ki adli ki Autonomous District Council ki bahab apo ka state ke jungi nga ay ke jingkit bok kerwiang yapi kumki candidate jongka party but mentang kasi ke penskam jungi ni ap khmi lenti ba ka jing tre stom jongpi rekat bat ki party workers jungi lakalong nakaliang ka state level lakalong naka district level but naka constituency level ba nginyo ya ka jinjok ka result ka bakmen bat ka basmuba so kumen menyatu yapi ba hadu menta ngidayo sisa hagani ka kenti ka menta ki rangkan sai ki longmis ba ki samla ki babiang ba banlong kinong yakun ya ka election ka menta bagi dak milenti biang sai sisen ko ban ani bakum ka parti idon ke jingkermen ka bah khmat kum ka parti bangin yo bontli kisit ha kali ke election jo kini ke adli giri this council election de ka jingjiet ya ki candidate kam simdon gnono ka jingsha siliang nre kalaya be on merit lane ha ka jing don ia ka ega bak ka bor jongki ki don hakiliang baro ki bangi sutu ba ka imlang salang ka sinong ka thaw ba ka khamtam ka constituency level ki de bandon ia ka jinhun jongki haba ngipin mana ya ka kerteng ngilashim ya kalinti trekam na kalian ka party om man suai bai kanu direction ya ki constituency hendrai ban up ya ka jin manjur lani ka recommendation but ya ka proposal nado ki circle level hado ka district level